Which word means most nearly the opposite of literal? A. Central, B. Written, C. Figurative, or D. Oral? The answer to this question is C. Figurative. But even if you didn't know that, you could arrive at that conclusion using the process of elimination. As we know, literal means factual or according to the strict meaning. Keeping in mind that we're looking for the opposite of literal, we can mark off central, as that doesn't have anything to do with literal, opposite or not. Written is, if anything, close in meaning to literal, not its opposite, as literal is also connected to the word literature, and has what to do with the written word. That being said, we can mark off oral as well, because even though it's true we just established that literal is connected to literature, it's not clear-cut enough for us to say that oral is an appropriate opposite. It simply doesn't have enough to do with the given word to be considered its opposite. With that in mind, we are left with our final answer, figurative.